Hey guys, welcome back. Look into the box. Look deeply into the box. Okay, just kidding. I decided I was going to share with you the giveaway. Susie Bratus won this week's giveaway during the live. So I decided, because I'm not actually crafting right now, that I just turn on the camera while I pack her box. Actually, it was packed. I unpacked it to put more in it, and now I gotta figure out how to get it all in here. So, Susie is getting a bag full of little crochet squares, different colors. She is getting a package of wooden doll heads that she can make angels with these with. She is getting a lot of green lace. That's a whole lot. I think there was like 5 yards of that. She can make some angel wings. She's getting some green trim that she can make hair. Tired of the green? Me too. So let's move over to the bag. Whoa, put the camera back. A bag of purples and lavenders. That's coming down here. Y'all notice I'm trying to push all the air out of these bags. Then she's getting a bag full, and I do mean full, of yellow lace fabric. A lot of that. How much more can I get in here? Let's see. I bought this Diamond Arts American flag. 4,000 plus gemstones. 9 by 12, ready to frame. Create a 3D gemstone painting. And this is how it ends up looking. So, Miss Susie's getting this because I don't have the time or the eyesight to do gemstone painting anymore. So that's going there. I have room. There's still room in this box. Let me see. You know what? I want to send Susie this journal that I showed y'all how I made the cover. I put some charms on it and a little dangle, and I filled it with some of my paper that I dyed. So Susie's getting this, and I still have room. You want some tea, Susie? I got a couple packets of this tea. Relaxation and meditation teas. Let me go down in here. What else? You want some buttons? I have some buttons. You need any button? You have some blue buttons. What else can I grab off of the shelves real quick and put in there? There's still not much room back there. Y'all see that room? We gotta fill this box up. Let me keep looking. What's in here? Okay, Miss Susie. This is an organizer that you can put your pens, your brushes, your colored pencils, whatever you want to in here. So this is coming in your box as well. I still have room. My mail carriers truly do hate me. Let's see. Destash, destash, destash. Keep grabbing and getting rid of. This is computer printer fabric. You can print out pictures from your computer onto fabric and put them on shirts. So there's almost a whole package of that. I think we're full. What do y'all think? I probably could get some more in there, really. Let me see. How about some of these pens? Because I don't use them. So we have some of these neon brush markers. We'll add those. I thought I had more than 3, but apparently not. But I'll look after I get off the camera. If I do, I'll add them. So, what do you think? Trying to think. Oh, want a couple of ballpoint pens? I'll put those in there too. Some Crafter square finger guards. They work nicely. They're great for hot glue. Some wire. Stick that down the side so it don't fall out. Oh, you know what? You need a pair of scissor sharpeners. I think they would fit. I bet I can make them fit. There you go. Your box, I do believe, is full, Miss Susie Bratus. So this will go out Tuesday because the mail does not run on Monday. And this is how I pack giveaway. I just look around my craft room and stuff I know I'm not going to be using in the next 6 months. And I just start putting them in boxes. Don't forget, you have to watch the videos, you have to comment on them, and you will be entered in a random drawing from the comment sections. And if your comment doesn't show up right away, don't worry about it. I have mine set, so I have to go in and improve them. Unless it's somebody that comments on every single video, then theirs will automatically show up. Because I've had some rude comments left by people who aren't even subscribed to my channel. And plus, too, I get those dating things on there and the sex things on there. And I just don't want them showing up so that other people will click the link and see what these people are leaving. So, yeah, I approve my videos. I mean, my comments. But I am doing giveaways on the videos as well. And the only way you can do it is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment, and then you will be entered in a random drawing every week for a surprise box. It might not be so much of a surprise. I might start doing more videos showing you guys what's in them. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.